Imagine you are a soldier dropping a live bomb into a launcher, but instead of flying away, it falls right at your feet. In that second, you think it's over, but nothing happens. Why didn't it explode? It's not just luck. It's a brilliant safety secret called Centrifugal Safety. This smart lock keeps the bomb turned off until it spins fast in the air, far away from the soldiers. Even if the gunpowder fails because of moisture or bad storage, this tiny piece of engineering saves everyone's life. Watch how these soldiers stare death in the face and survive, not by a miracle, but because of a hidden shield of science that turns a deadly weapon into a harmless piece of metal.